discussion? All right. So, any questions so far regarding with this one? Sign number operation. So, don't get confused on this one. Sa lahat to is addition. Once you're done in getting the negative sign number combination of this one, then just do the addition. Or you can do the easiest way or the easier way. So, kung nakuha nyo ng result, so negative 6 plus 13 is, of course, positive 7. So, how did we get this one? So, basically, convert ko lang to. So, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then you need 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, in binary. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so the same with this one, but of course, you have to do the 3 steps. Okay, so get the positive representation, and then apply the 2's complement, and then plus 1, and then you will get that one. Do you guys have a question so far or clarification? Hello guys, so who's confused? Let me know para ma-explain ko ulit. Or sino nang nakagets, let me also know so that I know that at least someone already get the concept.
Aray ko? Ow.
O ba, ang nangyari sa'yo, Mr. Tabarejo? Mr. Dave, how about you? Did you get it already or no?
Medyo, sir.
Yo. Ale, meron ba bang example? Wala na. Okay. Bale, ito na yung pinaka-example wherein I think maintindihan nyo naman to kapag ginawa nyo to manually. Okay, so mas ma-appreciate nyo to kapag ginawa nyo sa paper. Okay, so moving on. So, convert the following decimal. So, kasama ulit to sa practice assignment nyo. So, ang gawin nyo is kunin nyo muna yung positive representation, 2's complement, and then plus 1. And then, yun. Tapos, ganun din dito. Positive representation, 2's complement, and then plus 1. Kung ano man yung makuha dito, plus nyo lang yung dalawang yan. And then, yung result. Okay, so same with number 2, 3, and then 4. Alright, so we are almost done. So ASCII code stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so this ASCII is contains 128 characters or 7 bits required. So each character required 7 bits or more actually. So this one contains control characters, non-printing, and then printing characters. So those are the letters, digits, punctuation, and so on and so forth. So when we say non-printing, those are the special shortcut like Control-C, Control-V, ano ba, Alt-Tab, Alt-F4, and so on and so forth that, you cannot print. Those are the control characters. Okay, so here are the ASCII codes. So we have actually 4 representation. We have decimal, hexadecimal, octal, and then the character. Okay, so para mabilis, para mas maintindihan nyo, let's say you want to get the decimal of 0. So in decimal, it's 48. Okay, so lahat ng yan, lahat yan, magkakaiba lahat yan, individually unique with each other. Kasi kapag clinic mo yung letter G, hindi letter G na nababasa ng computer natin. So pag sinabi natin letter G, so our computer has, so capital letter G na lang. Ito, capital letter G. So iba rin yung small letter G, magkaiba. So capital letter G, so our computer has three-way. Okay, para malaman niya kung letter G siya. So pwedeng kapag decimal, 71. Kapag hexadecimal is 47. And then if it's octal, 107. Okay, and then HTML, so yung mga gumagamit ng special character code sa HTML, so pwede naman ganyan. Okay, wherein it represents letter G. And so on and so forth. So lahat yan magkakaiba. Okay? And then, ito, katulad niya rin to. Then supposedly we'll be having an exercise here. But I will not keep this one as an exercise anymore. Okay? Alright, so in binary storage and registers, so we have three parts, wherein we have register transfer operation, and then the digital logic circuits. So first one is the register. So this is a group of binary cells that are responsible for storing and holding the information. So kasi kapag clinic mo yung letter G, may store mo na siya sa register, wherein it will be converted to 8 cell. So pag sinabi natin 8 cell, so pwedeng 8-bit. Okay? Next one is register transfer operation. It's transferring binary operation from one set of registers to another set of registers. So hindi lang i-istong register natin, so pwedeng dalawa or pwedeng apat pa actually. So depende yun kung ilan yung kaya niyang i-store. So basically, naka-line up na yan lahat ng ginagawa mo. So mabilis tayo mag-type. So sobrang dami mo nang tinype. So mostly, kapag natatagalan yung computer mo pag naglalag, so may delay. Pero since mabilis ang computer natin yan, so kaya niya i-operate yan simultaneously or synchronously. Okay, sabay lang din. Pero kapag yung iba naglalag, so pinindot ko ng ganito, saka lang siya magre-respond after 1 minute. So pwedeng ganun yung mangyari kapag sobrang bagal ng computer. And last one is digital logic circuits. So this one is the one processing the binary information stored in the registers. So here's the representation of the information with the registers. So let's say, nag-type ka ng J-O-H-N or John, so mapupunta siya sa control natin. Okay, and then mapupunta siya sa cell. So each letter will go to cell, wherein, of course, mapupunta siya sa 8-bit. 8-bit per, 8 cells na to. Okay, so meron tayong J dito, meron tayong O, H, and then N. Then after that, mapupunta na siya dito sa processor natin, processor unit, wherein yung J na to will be converted to a certain binary combination. Yung mga yan. Kasi as I told you, hindi nababasa ng computer natin yung J as letter J. So kailangan i-convert niya muna to into binary or hexadecimal or octal. Okay? So yun yung mga ways para mabasa ng computer natin tong mga letter na to. So J, O, H, and then N. Okay, so after niya mga register dito sa memory natin, so ma-store lang siya dito, kasi may another ka dito. And i-retrieve na siya ngayon ng say CPU pa rin, and then madi-display na siya sa monitor natin. Okay, as letter J, O, H, and then N. Okay, so this is another way of representation of information processing. So in here, meron tayong basically dalawang memory unit pa rin. Pero meron na tayong tatlo, okay, na naka-store na cell. So meron tayong isa for the sum, which is yung operation, and then yung number 225 plus 66. So 225 plus 66 will be 291. So basically parang ano. So that's it. Okay, so may mga questions so far? Question or clarification? So,
Answer.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, meron po bang mga answer key po yung mga exercises sa module?
Sa module, wala. Wala. Okay, so yung mga nandito, yung mga hindi ko nasagutan, yung mga nabilugan ko, yan, ito, walang sagot. Okay. So, kung gusto nyo ipacheck sa akin, yun na nga. Again, ang sabi ko, gawin nyo sa paper, and then picturean nyo, and then send nyo sa akin. Then, i-check ko kung tama yung ginawa nyo. Okay?
Sige po, sir. Thank you po.
Kasi pag nilagay ko, yung, let's say, mga sagot, hindi nyo na matitest yung sarili nyo. Okay, mahirapan lang kayo. Mas magandang walang sagot para talagang mag-brainstorming kayo. Any other question? So, mamaya, ipopost ko yung, so ito na yung announcement ko. So, ipopost ko mamaya yung module 5 nyo, wherein a-advance yun para pagkatapos nyo matapos intindihin lahat kung nasa module 4. So, na-explain ko na ngayon. So, i-review nyo na lang ulit. Aralin nyo na kagad yung module 5. So, hindi ko alam, baka but this coming Thursday or Friday, I'll give you guys a quiz with this module 4 and then module 5. So, let me just check the module 5. Programs and applications. Yeah. So, itong module 5 na to, actually, super basic na nito. So, baka hindi ko na to i-explain since more on Microsoft lang to and then some other simple application. So, and then some walkthrough kung paano gamitin yung Microsoft Word. Okay, so alam nyo na itong mga to. Okay, so baka hindi ko na to isama sa explanation. And then, magkakaroon na lang kayo ng quiz dito. So, kasi sobrang dali lang naman ito. Oops, tama. Kita nyo nasa screen ko, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, I think walang mahirap talaga na part dito. So, papansinin nyo pala ang programs and apps. And then, about operating system. And then, ano yung mga program and apps na kailangan nyong acquire or kung paano nyo siya ma-acquire. Of course, by downloading it to the internet. And identify the features of productivity apps. So, pag sinabi natin productivity, ito na yung mga Microsoft Word, ano pa ba, spreadsheet, and so on and so forth. And then, identify the features of graphics and multimedia apps. So, alam nyo na yung mga yan, mga VLC, yung mga ginagamit yung pang-edit. Let's say, Photoshop, mga ganun. Okay. Alright, and then next one, na announcement ko is, ipopost ko na rin mamaya yung laboratory number 6. Laboratory number 6. So I hope most of you are done with lab 1 to laboratory number 5. Kasi ipopost ko na mamaya yung laboratory number 6 nyo in advance. Okay, so far, yun lang naman yung announcement ko. And then, hindi ko pa sure. So, pa-finalize ko pa kung Thursday or Friday yung magiging quiz nyo with this Module 4 and then Module 5. So, okay. So, pupost ko na lang ito mamaya sa group page natin. Di bali, na-convert naman lahat. So, upload ko muna sa YouTube and then bigay ko na lang yung link. Okay, so kung wala ng question, so 7:30 na, so eksakto. So, pwede na kayo mag-leave. And then, mag-dinner na kayo. And then, gawin nyo na
Yes,
yung
sir.
assignment. Okay. So,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sir,
Yes?
habol. Saan ko po pala kayo i-message mamaya, sir?
Dito sa aking Facebook. Ano ba ako ma-message? Sige, wait lang.
UC courseware po kasi yung dun sa...
Ay mo nga yan. Puntahan mo nga to. Itong sinend ko sa'yo.
Okay po, sir.
Message mo lang mismo.
Thank you po.
Welcome. So, puntahan mo muna kasi kapag close ko na tong meeting mo, na tong chat.
Ay. Saan na yan?
Sige, sir. Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Bye. Okay na, Mr. Rizalino. Napuntahan mo na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Message mo na lang ako, ha?
Yes, sir. Thank you po, sir.
End ko na to.